all set.
All right, Clark Barlowe back here with Potential Pantry, showing you one of my personal favorite ingredients because, again, really underutilized. This is Henbit. Now, Henbit is this ingredient right here. And I think seeing it next to purple dead nettle, you would never misidentify the two side by side. But I think when you see them just growing, it's like, is that Henbit? Is that purple dead nettle? It's hard to say. But seeing them side by side, you see the arrow-shaped leaves to the purple dead nettle, and you see these almost frilly leaves to the Henbit here. Again, square stem on this. This one's really hard to see, it's so small. But it's got these very similar purple flowers, the same that we just talked about with purple dead nettle. Really, really cool ingredient. The thing about this is, it is incredibly strong. It has a menthol-like flavor to it, medicinal flavor to it. I'm sure it would have the same health properties as the purple dead nettle that we just spoke about. Probably really high in vitamins A and C, and probably also really high in iron. The best way to utilize this, in my opinion, I like to just blend this into an oil and have a Henbit flavored oil that you can drizzle over things. I like to mix it with yogurts or sour creams or things like that and make a crema out of this. Basically any way that we can put fat with this to sort of mellow out that flavor of that really intense medicinal menthol flavor. Or again, if you got time for days, which we all sort of have right now, you could pick all of these flowers off and utilize these as just a garnish, because these, not a really strong flavor to this, just really nice, clean, almost sweet flavor to this.
There it is.
Oh man, Brennan doing this talented camera work, getting up in here on these flowers. So really nice, really sweet right there. Great utilization of this ingredient. But again, mixing this with fat, that's going to be the best way to utilize this. We could also break off these tops and fry them just like they are for a nice little crispy stack. Maybe dust them with a little bit of salt. That would be a really nice way to sort of mellow out that flavor as well. So again, here we see purple dead nettle, and here we see Henbit. You see, again, this is a lettuce cabbage situation. You would never confuse the two of these once you see them side by side.
All right.